we had settlement that started from the harbour wall. It started getting really noticeable, and then there was a few designs chucked around what we could do, and then we've come up with a solution after I watched a presentation from Geobear. You know, this is causing us less disturbance than what we wanted to cause to the residents and the shop owners, and we're able to do it this time of year when there's a lot of tourism in the area. We've looked at lots of solutions and how we can afford to do this, because it isn't a cheap exercise. So this solution, it turned out to be one of the best solutions for what we need for the area. It saves us dismantling the wall and having to support the ground. Years ago, it used to be a little beach in the corner. We've looked back at photos. So every time the tide comes in and out, where the wall's moved, it's taking the fines away from behind the wall and under the wall. So there's a lot of pockets, void pockets behind the wall. You know, the geopolymer is being ejected 5 meters down into the ground, which is lower in the seabed. So I'm hoping that all the voids that are behind our wall that's causing our settlement is now filled with a geopolymer, and that would hopefully stop everything from moving in the future. Biggest thing with this one, this method that we're using, we haven't got no vibration at all. You know, we've got around us, we've got the kiosk, we've got the harbour's master's office. We know that if we put any vibration down through the ground, we would have lost the wall. Doing something that was not going to cause any vibration at minimal cost to us, you know, a speedy solution. And by doing this solution was one of the best things that could happen really for the kiosks, the town, and for ourselves budget-wise, you know. So yeah, it's a really good solution all round. You know, we've done phase one was to do some temporary works on the toe. That stopped the wall from moving. Now we know that doing this is going to prevent that wall from going any further than what it already has done. So, you know, we've been monitoring this wall for the last 6 months with tilt sensors. Now we'll be actually able to capture there's no more movement. You know, it's been very minimal since we've done the toe piling, but this is now to secure the ground and fill all them voids that we know water was sitting in and pockets of no material will be filled. The lads have worked really well together as a team, collaboratively with Dorset Council, Dorset Highways, and Geobear. It's been really nice to work, you know, with a good company.